Let me show you 3 ways of duplicating objects in Affinity Designer version 2. The obvious one is to select the object by clicking on it, and then we can head to Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste, and then I got duplicate of it. You cannot see it here because it's exactly on the top of it, so I must move it, and then we will uncover the duplicate. Of course, we can do it with shortcuts, so I can press Command-C, Command-V on Mac or Control-C, Control-V on Windows. Alternatively, if you press and hold Command and drag it out, I will make a duplicate instead of moving it. One more time. If I move it with the Move tool like that, I move the original one, but if I press and hold Command or Control, I will make a duplicate instead of moving the original one. I use this method the most. That's my favorite method. So instead of just moving stuff around, if I know I need a duplicate, I press Command, move it out. So I keep the original one and I move the kind of new copy to a new position. And there's also a new method added recently. You can click on the object and then hit Enter or Return on your keyboard. You will have this special pop-up for Move/Duplicate. Of course, we can use it to simply move the object, like let's say horizontally 200 millimeters. A bit too far, huh? Let's make it 150. Okay, here it is. But I can click here this little checkbox, Duplicate. And I keep the original one and I duplicate this one. Oh, we can also move it like 20 millimeters. And we can make multiple copies in one go. Move this slider to the right. Take a look. Here it is. So that's a nice method as well. So simply select the object, hit Enter for this additional pop-up box. While we are talking about duplication, let's not forget about Power Duplicate. Power Duplicate will not only copy the object, but also copy the last transformation. So let me show what I mean by that. I want to duplicate this and make it a bit smaller. So I put Command down, I drag it out, and I make it smaller as well. So I not only make a copy, but I also make transformation. How can I make this happen again? Press Command-J or Control-J. As you can see, I'm not only making a duplicate, but I also applying the last transformation. In my case, scale down. It could be rotation, so let's try that. I drag it out with Command Alt Rotation. Command-J will copy this whole transformation. Not only the object, but the last transformation apply. Very handy. So that's what we call Power Duplicate. Command-J on your keyboard, or from the Edit menu there is a duplicate option, as you can see, Command-J. So duplicate is different from copy and paste because duplicate will also duplicate this last transformation. Very handy. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful. I will see you in the next one.